What is a light year? A light year is a way to measure distance, not time, even though it sounds like something from a sci-fi movie. It represents the distance that light travels in a vacuum in one Earth year. Since light is incredibly fast, traveling at about 300,000 kilometers per second, it covers a lot of ground in a year. To put it in numbers, one light year equals 9.46 trillion kilometers. Why use light years? When dealing with the immense distances in space, regular units like kilometers or miles become impractical. Instead, astronomers use light years to describe the vast gaps between stars, galaxies, and other celestial objects. For example, the closest star to us, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.24 light-years away. This means light from Proxima Centauri takes 4.24 years to reach Earth. The Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest large galactic neighbor, is 2.5 million light-years away. Fun fact, looking at distant stars or galaxies means you're actually looking back in time. For instance, if a star is 100 light-years away, the light we see left that star 100 years ago.
Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe.